Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable color inversion on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. Okay, tap this. Here in accessibility, go to visibility enhancement. And visibility enhancement, you can see the color inversion. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the color inversion on your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. If this turn on, you can see the color inversion. The color of your screen is into black. And okay, that's it. We have successfully enabled the color inversion. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this color inversion. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled color inversion on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.